FPV or first-person view drone technology, the low-cost precision strike system that has redefined modern battlefield tactics. These small, fast quadcopters are flown in real time by an operator wearing video goggles, giving them the perspective of sitting in the cockpit. They carry small, explosive payloads and can strike targets with pinpoint accuracy at ranges of 10 to 20 kilometers, with newer fiber-optic guided versions resisting electronic jamming. The strength is their extremely low cost, often under $1,000 each, combined with high precision and the ability to overwhelm expensive air defenses through sheer numbers. The current limitation is vulnerability to electronic warfare and limited range on radio-controlled versions, but fiber-optic and AI-assisted models are rapidly extending their effectiveness. FPV drones first gained global attention in the 2022 Ukraine conflict and have since become a standard tool for both sides, with thousands used monthly in 2025 to 2026. They are most known for their role in destroying tanks, artillery, and infantry positions at a fraction of the cost of traditional munitions. Modern FPV drones reach speeds over 150 kilometers per hour, use first-person video transmission for real-time precision, can be fitted with shaped charge warheads effective against armored vehicles, and are increasingly incorporating AI for terminal guidance and autonomous target acquisition in jammed environments. Check my link in bio for more educational content on military technology. VetMilTech, daily from the drop zone.